Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are healthy. Here I am going to show you how to make ice milk tea. Ice milk tea is one of the most popular drink sold in a coffee shop and mini store. If you think iced tea just a lemon slice and ice cup, maybe this is a very delicious drink. The name is ice milk tea. You must try it. I want to show you how to make ice milk tea easily.
Here are the tools and ingredients before making ice milk tea. The tools are electric teapot, large glass, and spoon. That ingredient is tea bags, water, sweetness, condensed milk, and ice cup as needed. If the tool and materials are ready, now process to how to make. Now we step to the procedure how to make our is boil water. Place the water in the electric teapot. And cook over medium or high heat until it boils. Put the tea bag in large glass. After placing in the tea in glass, pour boiling water. Leave the tea in the water. The tea should be steeped for about 2 minutes. Step 4. Add sweetened condensed milk. Take out the tea bag and pour in the sweetness condensed milk. And mix well. Fill the glass with ice. Fill the glass with ice or crushed ice until it at least half full. 6. Pour the tea into a glass and enjoy. Pour the milk tea into a glass filled with ice cups. Enjoy your ice milk tea right away.
So that's how to make ice milk tea. I hope you guys like and understand what I explained. Stay healthy and stay at home. Thank you for your attention.